On this video, I will show you how to make a multi-view drawing page for your puzzle cube part with dimensions, how to edit the title block down here, and also how to add another sheet so that you can add the rest of your parts with their multi-view drawings, and also how to add in your assembly with balloons and parts list. Okay, so first thing is we got to go to new, and we're going to make a standard IDW. Of course, make sure that your puzzle cube project is selected, then create. So the first thing is we need to edit the sheet. So over here in my model browser, I'm going to right click, edit sheet, change it to size A. Okay. Then I'm going to right click and delete the ANSI large, then expand drawing resources, expand title blocks, and insert ANSI A. Then I'm going to edit the field text down here. Click on that. Summary, call it Puzzle Cube. For the title, the subject is IED, period, whatever yours is, your name, Mr. Keller. And for the company, Northland HS. Then we'll apply and close. And then OK. All right, so right click on the sheet, insert base view, select, click on the little folder icon here and select your first part, open. There's brown. If I move that over, see here's the brown. Okay, I can click that arrow, click the diagonal arrow, and click the right arrow. So there's my views. Okay. And I want to add shading to the ISO, so right click, edit view, check shaded. And then move these over. There. Okay, so now I need to add dimensions to my multi-views. So I'm going to click on annotate, click on baseline set, and then I'm going to, from left to right, click on these vertical lines. These are for my heights, and move my dimensions up until they're dotted. Left click to place, and then right click, create. Again, baseline set. I'm going to do my heights, so I'm going to start from the beginning, top, there, right click, continue, move them until they're dotted, left click to place, right click, create. Again, baseline set, click in order, beginning, middle, last, right click, continue, dotted, left click, right click, create. Okay. And that is the multi-view drawing for a part. Okay, so now I want to add the assembly page. So I'm going to right click up here on the drawing sheet. I'm going to add new sheet. I can switch back and forth by double clicking, but here I want to add the assembly as my base view. So here's my assembly. Notice it's default. If it wasn't, I could go to open it and select the assembly file right there, open, there it is. Now I want the isometric view, so since I set that as my home view, I can just click on home, there it is, and I'm going to change the scale to 1:1 so it's a little bit larger. And I want it shaded. I do not want hidden lines, so I make sure hidden lines are removed. There we go. I can move that. I'm going to put a parts list. For this, you need to select the assembly file. There it is. Click OK and place it up here in the upper right corner. Okay, notice it's got a description column. We can remove that. Right click on this, edit parts list. Click on this column chooser button, select description and remove, and OK, and apply. There, it's gone. Now I need to add balloons. So I'm going to click on balloon, click on a part, drag it up 45 degrees, click once, drag it horizontal, double click to place. So that's the orange. Click on the yellow on the edge here, drag it up 45 degrees, and click once, drag right, double click to place. Balloon again, I'm going to get the purple, click, double click to place. Balloon, okay, so I need a brown, drag it, 45, click once, double click to place, and then finally balloon for the green, 45, double click to place. And there is my assembly with balloons and parts list. And I can go ahead and save that. When I've got all my parts in here, I go to File, Export, PDF, select Options, make sure all sheets are checked, and click Save. All right, and that concludes the video.